and mobilizations demanding jobs, housing, and health care, and which we believe are some of the most important components of a real economic recovery package. So today we're out here in front of the Mandarin Oriental Hotel because the Financial Services Roundtable is meeting here. You might ask, who is the Financial Services Roundtable? They represent more than 90 companies in the finance and insurance industries, including the nation's largest banks and insurance companies.
Well, gentlemen, we just pulled out the heist of the century.
That's making a bundle of the economy. We're still walking away with $213 billion in taxpayer money.
I would like more.
Yeah, what you can get. What are you spending yours on? I mean, I've already redecorated our corporate offices, took all of our executives on a exclusive golf outing, and I really stumped on what to do next. I don't know. I mean, my shoes need a shine, but
Well, yeah. You gotta go big, though. You gotta think big. I'm thinking about getting a naming rights at a stadium.
I've done that in a couple months. I know. Oh, yeah, nice passion.
You know, the only thing that's been annoying about this whole bailout process is now we've got every small business and union company in the U.S. is knocking on our door thinking that we should give them credit and loans so that they can keep operating and employing workers here. I mean, who do you think they are?
That's absolutely absurd.
That's crazy.
That's absurd.
They're worse than those meddling homeowners. Worse than the homeowners. Don't get me started on. They should get a break for themselves, and they can't even pay a mortgage. I mean, no one forced them to take those subprime loans. And now they think they're entitled to some kind of bailout? Sofa, yes.
No good wraparound. I think I have a call. Hello? Oh, it's our favorite lobbyist, Scott Calder.
Hey,
What? Congress is talking about strengthening workers' rights
Yeah.
and creating consumer protections?
Yeah.
This is absurd. We can't have this.
No.
It's not
We
happening.
can't have this.
But we've already spent millions lobbying. How can this be happening?
I don't know. Scott, what can we do here? All right, well, yeah, we will ship you some more of that bailout money that we still have left over, you know.
I want to see.
Couple million there, you know, and if you need more, you need to let us know.
I think they look for.
After we run the nice tax ads in their district, labeling them special interest groups, communists trying to waste taxpayer money.
That's what they are.
Yeah. No more talking.
What is this?
What is this?
And common sense is now in session. And proud today, we have members of the Financial Services Roundtable. 1 year ago today, these 90 banking, insurance, and financial companies received over $213 billion in taxpayer money. The economy that they wrote began to put people back to work. But a year later, they're being charged with crimes against workers, crimes against consumers, crimes against homeowners, and crimes against taxpayers. Ms. Justice, corporate criminal number 1, Bank of America. He got $1.5 million last year, received $45 billion in bailout, and he spent 4.5 of that, 4.5 million, on lobbying against the Employee Free Choice Act, and on top of it, his employees among the top users of state-subsidized health care. He was investigated by the FBI and the Justice Department and State Attorney's Office for a predatory levy. And on top of it, he was $13.8 billion last year. They received $25 billion in bailouts, and they spent $3 million of that on lobbying. Strikes against workers. They refused credit to viable companies costing hundreds of layoffs. You guys remember that? Crimes against homeowners. Well, they're facing an NAACP lawsuit, which alleges systemic institutionalized racism in subprime lending. Crimes against taxpayers. They spent $690,000 on lobbying in the fourth quarter of 2008. They oppose consumer and homeowner protections on top of that. The banks got bailed out. The banks got bailed out. The banks got bailed out. Members of the jury, we need to make the decision here to have some verdicts on these criminals here before us. On charge number 1, what is charged the Financial Services Roundtable with smashing the economy and grabbing huge bailouts while preaching that consumer protections are a danger. Jury, what's your verdict? On charge number 2, we charge the Financial Services Roundtable with being a union for fat cats that lobbies to protect workers and prevent workers from forming a union of their own. Jury, what is your verdict? Strike them up. And on the third and final charge of opposing healthcare reform while uninsured employees go uncovered, what jury members do you find? What verdict? All right. Well, these members being guilty, the bench now going to